Hi everyone and welcome to another fun-filled adventure of Snappy Repairs. I'm Snappy and I repair stuff. Today I'm going to be tackling a cavity slider that's out of alignment. So you know what to do. Tool up, bitches. Okay, well this is the door in question. As you can see, it's got a huge gap at the bottom and it's touching at the top. So it needs to be adjusted. So first things first, these are caps for screws and one side has to come off. I'll show you. Okay, so with a Stanley knife blade, just pop that off. And there's the screws. And then because these are always painted, you need to just break that paint line. The reason you break the paint line is if you try ripping it off without doing that, you might take a whole heap of the paint with it. You don't want to do that. Okay. Sometimes they just break, sometimes you need brute force. Brute force ain't gonna cut it. I'll go get the brute forcifier. Okay. That's looking better. That's much better. See what I mean about the paint? But that's okay. I can deal with that. Alright. Now, that means we now can see this and this. And this one is the one we need to lift. Sometimes I have a spanner that's sitting on top of the door. So it's a flat spanner so you can get to it really easily. And they slot it in on top of the door into a little holder. This one doesn't have that. Okay, look what I did. I bent it and I ground it. And now it's a bendy spanner. Perfect for getting into that. Like that. I'll show you. Gets in there beautifully now. So you need to loosen it off so that it'll come off the point there. So now that is all free. So all you've got to do now is tighten it up to the highest point, which is right there, and slip it back on like that. Check to see if it's doing it for you, which it ain't, and tighten it up. And there we have it, all the way down. Nice even gap. It's quite easy, can be a little bit fiddly, but you can do it. Okay, so everything needs to go back the way it was. If you keep these the same, you shouldn't need to repaint, because I'll just match up where you've torn it. Yeah, and usually when it's like that, that means it goes when they can't paint it when the door's in place. So you know that's the right way to go. Caps back on, just push them in. Oh, the one that I dropped. Ow! My head. Right. That's it. Beautiful. Time for a chocolate donut. This is me eating a chocolate donut. Mmm.